Hi, love, this is Elle, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today, we're going to be doing another Empties video, and I'm super excited to share with you what I have gone through over the past couple of months. So let's get started. Before we do that, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. I feel like I'm really up close. Sorry, everybody. I kind of changed up my filming. All right, so the first thing that I want to show you, the first couple of things, is my 3 bottles of Curology. So I'm currently on my 4th bottle right now, and they have upped my my alizac acid to 6%. As you know, I did a whole video on Curology and why I decided to use that. If you want to see it, I will link it in the description box. But this has been really helping my hyperpigmentation. I've really been enjoying using it. It has cut my nighttime routine down to like 5 seconds. I will continue using this and report back on that, but I just wanted to show you all of them. My first bottle was smaller, and then obviously my other bottles are bigger. Okay, now this, it took me a while to go through. This is the Native Coconut and Vanilla Paraben-Free, Aluminum-Free deodorant. I think this is actually my 2nd one, because I remember going to Target and getting, this is like another one that I got. I'm now using the Kosas no fragrance deodorant, and I actually like it a lot better. So I won't be purchasing this again, but I know a lot of you guys use it. It created a lot of itch, to be honest with you, and so the other one, Kosas, does not at all, and so I unfortunately will not be repurchasing this again. This is the Then I Met You Living Cleansing Balm. I love this. It took me forever to use. I will say that this does go a really long way. Now, I love this, okay? It's great. Will I be repurchasing it? Probably not for any other reason. I mean, like I said, it's very good. But you know how I feel about cleansers. I just feel like it's just a lot of money to spend on a cleansing balm, when what I have right here is the Beautylish cleansing balm, is just as good, okay, and it's way less expensive. So for me, I am probably not going to be repurchasing that. This is my, I don't know, millionth bottle of the Osmosis Rescue. I already have another bottle, and it's ready to rock and roll. I use it upstairs. So I will continue to use this. This is great for acneic sufferers. This is fantastic for hyperpigmentation. Really great for sensitized skin as well as rosacea. This is, I don't know any other product out there like this. It's a kind of a one of a kind, okay? All right, now this, I get a lot of questions on this. This is actually the Neogenesis Neo Lash. I am probably one of the only ones that never really saw any results from this. I wanted to love it. So many of my squad members love this and get amazing results from it. But unfortunately, this is not something I would be repurchasing. I use Grande Lash MD. It's what I've used for probably close to, I would say maybe 2 years. And it is one of the only things that really actually truly grows my lashes the way I like them to be, and doesn't cause me personally any irritation. Yeah, I feel bad because so many people love this, and it didn't work for me. And yeah, so what I do is I have obviously my Lashify lashes on right now, but I will wear these for, depends, 5-6 days, and then I will take them off, and then for the next several days I will use my Grande Lash MD morning and night, just to keep my lashes nice and long whenever I do choose to take these off. So this is I literally have to scrape this. This is the Fenty Gloss Balm in Fussy. This is probably my 2nd one. I will be repurchasing this for sure. Again, I forgot to repurchase it on the Sephora sale, to be honest with you, which is fine. But I have it on right now. I like scraped out the smallest amount that I could. I love this gloss. It smells really good. It's not overly sticky. I just pop it on with a nude lip liner, and it is my go-to kind of easy lipstick look. So I will definitely be repurchasing that. Stem Factor from Osmosis. It's gone. I love it. Already have another one upstairs. I can't find another dupe for something that is so good. It is oncologist approved, and it is just a really high quality growth factor serum. So this I already have another one. All right, so this is Kinship. I can't really see it, but it is completely empty. I have squeezed every single last bit out of it. This is the Kinship SPF. I have another one already. I love it. I will use it for as long as they make it. It's always part of my SPF arsenal. It is really fantastic for more dry skin. It's not necessarily amazing for combination or oily in my opinion because it is a heavier moisturizer slash SPF. This is a physical SPF and it is reef safe as well. So this is amazing. And its zinc oxide is 22.4%, which is right on trend of where you want that zinc to be. This one is empty. This is the Josie Moran Argan Milk Intensive Hydrating Body Renewal Serum. It is gorgeous. I absolutely love this. This is probably my 4th bottle. I totally missed the sale on QVC. I know. I can't believe I did. I just missed it. So I will absolutely be repurchasing this again. I put this on before my moisturizer. It does definitely help with crepey skin, for my opinion. It does help keep moisture retention in the skin. I definitely use this more during the winter rather than during the summer months, but I use it all year round. It's so gorgeous. But I absolutely love this. So I'll be repurchasing this for sure. Okay, so this is the Necessaire body lotion. This is the fragrance-free. This is actually something that I use on my daughter. I already have another one for her. This has vitamins A, B3, vitamin C, vitamin E, omega-3, 6, 9. And again, it has no fragrance in it because she does have sensitive skin. Again, like I said, I already have another one. It's gorgeous. It's such a beautiful product. I love it. And definitely, it's like a multivitamin for the skin. So good. My husband actually uses the shower products from this. He uses it in cedarwood. He loves it. They have like an exfoliating body wash. He loves it. All right, and then this is the Tatcha Kisu lip mask. I have about 5 of these. I keep one in my purse and then one in my bathroom. I have gone through many of them. I love it. Do I think you need to probably have this? No, but I just love it because it makes my lips look like I'm actually wearing something. It's very deeply hydrating. It is more of a sleeping mask, but I wear it all day long. So this is something that I definitely will be keeping in my routine for sure. I literally scraped like every last bit on it, out of it. And actually, you know what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to clean this out really, really well and use it to keep some of my lashes that I'm able to keep, and I put it in here so I can clean them with alcohol and stuff. So repurpose your pretty packaging from places like Tatcha. All right, now this, I want to know if you guys want me to do a whole video on these. This is from the brand Zitstica, I believe. Yes, Zitstica. This is a Hyperfade Micro Dart Blur Patch for dark spots. Now they have a whole host of different things, this company. I got this, or they sent it to me in PR, and I was so excited because I was like, oh my gosh, is this gonna fade some of those harder to do sunspots? This is really meant for post-inflammatory acne hyperpigmentation. This brand and many others like this really do work. If you have active blemishes, put it on. It does what it needs to do. It delivers salicylic acid into the skin. This also has a couple other ingredients. This has niacinamide in it. It has hyaluronic acid in it. It also has albuterol. It also has kojic acid in it. So that's why I was like, oh my gosh, if I keep applying it to this spot, maybe it'll go away. Now, again, I will say I've only used 1 box, but it comes with like that many. So maybe if I was to use it over an extended period of time, it might have worked a little bit. It's super easy to use, but I really love this idea. And again, it works great for post-acne inflammatory hyperpigmentation or an active blemish. These things really, really are great. It keeps you from picking, it keeps it from scarring. But post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation from acne is one of the easier hyperpigmentations pigmentations to treat. Because it is so on the surface. Things like me, it's been there for so long. It's an overactive melanin site, so it takes a lot longer to treat. So there's different types of pigmentation. All right. So, but again, I do love the brand. I think that they go really well. I have a couple acne clients that I tell them to go get these type of things and put them on any active acne or right after they've had an active acne flare up, and they are so eternally happy with this product. So for me, and it is kind of pricey, and there's not very many. Like, I would like to see more in the box. But yes, they do work, but do they work for long-term age spots or liver spots? No, unfortunately. So that was kind of a bummer. But I do have a few others that if you want me to talk about the technology and how, like, basically it's a form of microneedling, not really, but it kind of is, let me know, because I can do a whole video on that as well. So those are my empties for this past couple of months, and a lot of them I will repurchase and some of them I will not be. I'm sorry if some of those that I won't be repurchasing are your favorites. I apologize, it just didn't work for me. But I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you guys have gone through this past couple of months, if you'll be repurchasing something that I haven't talked about yet, and I'll see you on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.